All right, boys, it's that time. We're talking about Bitcoin. It had its biggest one-day move since November 2017. I think it has some importance to the stock market. Related to, sometimes you'll see correlations between the market and stuff like even gold and Bitcoin. And, we saw how Wall Street caught on to it during the bubble last time. And, there is some ETFs, even like Riot Bitcoin. It's interesting to see how that thing's reacting. And then there's even like, I believe GBTC. But I want to go over that. I want to talk about the reason why now, because again, I think it has global implications related to some of the stuff we've been talking about and even reviewing in the stock market. So I'm going to go over that, go over some of these theories, and right off the bat, I'm going to say this: nobody knows. Nobody knows why it went up today. That's why it's interesting. I'm going to share my theory, so I want you guys to include your theories. Put it below. Nobody knows. I think we could easily confirm that. So this is a good place to source information. Put it down below. Let me know. And also like the video. Subscribe if you're new. Show some love. And do the cult. We're going to be trading live too. I don't know. So for the Bitcoin people, we also trade stocks. I invest long-term day trading options. So we have the live stream. It's in the comments below. We are live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before market open. You guys have heard that a million times now. So let's see. Let's talk about it. You could go search Bitcoin on the news on Google. There's literally a lot of people are talking about this, and even right now it is surging even more. It's up 17%. Earlier it was up 15%. Uh, Here's the one-day move everyone's freaking out about. It was started at 4,100, 4,200, and now it's about to break above 5,000. So again, for a one-day move, that's pretty big. Like even in the past, even last Brexit, it went up. And again, you could even put that in context, but it didn't go up as much in a single day. So one of the theories, and again, like our mainstream media, like CNN, I think one of these is in the New York Post article. They said it's a mystery buyer. They say it's $100 million order spread out over various exchanges. Somebody from Reuters, I don't know how to say that. You guys could correct me on that. But somebody from, they're saying that's what happened relating to that. There's other theories, though, again, related to the stock market. One of them was April Fool's joke. People are saying it went up today because of April Fool's joke that the SEC jokingly has approved it. I guess that was a joke, man. A bunch of these April Fool, man. Don't get me started. But there's that. People are saying it's a short squeeze, and that could make sense. It has, a lot of people do that, but again, on a big scale, even the market cap for Bitcoin to grow like this, that's a pretty big short squeeze. But again, it's very, very possible. And some people are saying supply and demand. That came up in this article. That came up in this article as well too, from even CNN. So, but again, it's a common theme. Nobody really could pin their finger on it. So that's summing that up quickly. But what do I think? I'm gonna go over my theory, but again, I want to hear what you guys think. I think this will be entertaining and informational at the same time because I love seeing all these theories do. It's great. And even if you even think, do you think it's important for the stock market or not? I think that's also a good question. But here's Bitcoin. I'm gonna pull up a 1 year chart, and my theory, you guys know what I look at, and again, I think it correlates to some recent data points. But here's the Shanghai Composite. I believe it's all correlated to China. A good majority. I don't want to make up stats out of my ass here, but a good majority of the Bitcoin trading does occur. It's overseas volume. I know South Korea is a big leader as well too up there. So there's in Asian countries, and even my experience with it. They've cracked down on it, but at the same time, there is a pretty big correlation between stuff going on in China and Bitcoin, and even India, and again those other countries like South Korea, Japan, and I don't know, even UK as well too. Like I said, in 2016 we saw some sort of move that was similar, but not again on a 1 day scale. This was huge. So here's the Shanghai Composite over 1 year. You could see it kind of parallels it. Some people may say that, you could say Bitcoin's lagging. Some people may say I'm crazy. Well, this is my theory on there because even then, I've always attested, if you go to the long-term chart, this is Bitcoin started the breakout, 2017, 2018, coming into 2018, but this is the Shanghai Composite from like 2014, but they have kind of a similar trajectory, and they kind of did very, very similar stuff. They did follow, literally everything that happened with the Shanghai Composite just occurred with Bitcoin at a later date. So again, we're seeing a pretty distinct I think a distinct correlation. That's what I'm attributing it to. And anything, even Turkey as well too. Turkey literally just skyrocketed their currency today. You're seeing global currencies move. So for Bitcoin to make a move, I think it's something related to that. So let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear from you guys. Subscribe if you're new, and I'm out. Let's go. I'll see you in the morning. Bitcoin.